How to style rugs in your home. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks for styling rugs in your home. Rugs can really transform a space and add a cozy, inviting touch to any room, so we are excited to show you some ways to make the most of them. Let's get started. Tip number 1, layering. One of my favorite ways to style rugs is by layering them. This is especially great if you have a small rug that you love, but it doesn't quite fill the space you want it to. Simply layer a larger rug underneath it to create a cozy, textured look. You can experiment with different textures and patterns to create a unique look that fits your personal style. Tip number 2, statement piece. Another way to style rugs is by using them as a statement piece in a room. Choose a bold, eye-catching rug that really stands out and let it be the focal point of the space. This is a great way to add some personality and flair to a room, especially if the rest of the decor is more neutral. Tip number 3, size matters. When it comes to styling rugs, the size really does matter. You want to make sure that the rug is proportionate to the space it's in. A too small rug can make a room feel disjointed and unbalanced, while a too large rug can overwhelm the space. So take some time to measure your room and choose a rug that fits it perfectly. Tip number 4, texture. Texture is key when it comes to styling rugs. Adding a rug with a different texture than your flooring can add dimension and depth to a room. For example, if you have hardwood floors, consider adding a plush, shaggy rug to add some coziness and warmth. Tip number 5, color and pattern. Finally, don't be afraid to play with color and pattern when it comes to rugs. A bold, colorful rug can add some personality to a room, while a patterned rug can create a more interesting and dynamic space. Just make sure that the rug complements the rest of the decor in the room rather than clashing with it. There you have it, our top tips for styling rugs in your home. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.